Hello, my name is Julian Johnston. I'm a real estate agent in Miami Beach. I've been a real estate agent in Miami Beach since 2001, selling luxury waterfront homes and condos. The Venetian Islands are made up of 5 islands, very close proximity to Miami Beach. Access is gained from the 17th Street. It's very close, it's like a midpoint between Design District and Wynwood and Miami Beach. It's very accessible and people like to live in this area because it's a little bit more relaxed. You can walk or bike or jog to Lincoln Road, to the beach, different restaurants, retail. Very close to Sunset Harbour retail with 20 different restaurants, 3 different grocery stores. It's a very relaxed, easy living.
Alive.